Hey everyone, so here is a DIY video after a long time, and today I'm creating two really simple, cheap and extremely pretty items for my house. Keep watching. So, to give my living room a cozy vibe, I decided to make a lamp for the center using a paper basket, which is like really easily available in most supermarkets in the utility section. You can get one that's this color, or you can also paint it with a color of your choice. You can spray paint it, whatever. I personally loved the color of this one, so I kept it this way. Now you will also need a bulb holder to connect it to the wiring in the ceiling. It's a very simple process, but I suggest that it would be best if you get an electrician on board, and you will need to drill a hole through the basket for the bulb, and this is what it will look like. Or you could just show this setup to your electrician and he will definitely know what to do. Now to hang the basket from the ceiling, I used a chain of an old bag. You could use a thread, chain, or whatever you think works the best to support the lamp, as we are going to wrap it anyway. Now the next step is to apply Fevibond around this area of the basket like this. Fevibond is a rubber adhesive, and while applying, wait for around 10 to 15 seconds for it to slightly sit on the surface, and then start wrapping the jute rope around the basket in this way until your desired length. Now this is what the lower part looks like. For the top part, I'm wrapping the chain with a masking tape, followed by applying Fevibond, after which I'm wrapping a rope around it. This way the lamp looks really neat, uniform and complete. Once the lamp is made, you can hang it and fix a bulb. If you want the area to be really bright, you could use a 9-watt bulb. I personally like a more dim effect with the reflection of the basket pattern around like this. So I went for a 4.7-watt bulb. You can totally choose to fix either a tungsten or an LED bulb based on the look you're going for. This is what the finished lamp looks like. It's super affordable, so much fun and easy to create, and looks so cozy. Now moving on to the next item, we are going to make a wall hanging using doily and embroidery loops, which I got off Amazon. I'm going to leave the links in the description below. So to start off, I'm placing the doily on the inner loop like this. I'm then holding it tight and putting the outer loop over it to fix it completely. Once you fix it, it is tighter, and you keep adjusting the fix based on how tight and stretched you want it to be. I then fix it with the screw on the loop. I repeat the same procedure with the other two sets of loops, and just to let you know, I purchased the loops that are in descending order in size to give the wall hanging a very interesting spin. Now once I've finished tightening the screw for all the loops, I took a pair of scissors and cut off the excess doily from the wooden part to give it a very neat look. And after this is done, I removed the screws on the loops, and now I'm fastening it using a thread. I keep the thread a little longer so as to tie the loops together like this, and voila! There it is. You have your wall hanging ready. So simple, right? This is what it looks like on my wall. And all these other pieces next to it, I picked them all from my trip to Bali, and I love how lovely it makes my house look. Now, do you want a living room tour next? Let me know in the comments if you want one. And guys, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.